Have you ever felt helpless watching your beloved chicken refuse to eat or drink? You're not alone, and today, we're diving into how to nurse your sick chicken back to health. Chickens, like any other pets, can fall ill, and spotting their sickness can be tricky since they often hide their symptoms well. One of the most common reasons your chicken won't eat is due to illness, such as coccidiosis or Marek's disease, which can make them lethargic and lose their appetite. Physical injuries, whether from a predator or a simple misstep, can also cause your chicken to stop eating, as pain and stress take their toll. Believe it or not, bullying among chickens is real. Pecking and feather pulling can stress out your chicken, leading to a loss of appetite. If your chicken has ingested something toxic, food poisoning can be a culprit, making them avoid food altogether. Infestations like lice can drive your chicken to scratch incessantly, leaving no time or desire to eat. To get your sick chicken eating again, start with foods they might like: hard-boiled eggs, mealworms, fresh greens, and even a special rickets diet packed with essential nutrients. Hydration is just as crucial. Gently open your chicken's beak and use a syringe to drop water mixed with electrolytes, ensuring they stay hydrated. Remember, patience and care are key. With the right food, water, and a lot of love, your chicken can bounce back. Keep watching for more tips on keeping your flock healthy and happy. Thanks for watching. Click and subscribe for more videos.